Hello there. Welcome to Frank Workstation. So today I was just walking into a supermarket, normal shopping, nothing planned. And then I saw this small device on the shelf. It's tiny, it's metal, and it has numbers on it. Honestly, I didn't know what it was. No clear explanation, no proper name, just this. For some reason, I picked it up, turned it around, pressed this button on top, and the numbers changed. So I said, okay, interesting. Then I saw this small knob by the side. I turned it, and boom, everything went back to zero. Now, this is where my confusion started. Is this for counting something? Is it for security? Is it for machines? Is it for people? Or is it one of those old school devices that nobody uses anymore? I tried guessing, but honestly, I couldn't figure it out. So I decided to bring it here. If you know what this device is called, if you know what it's actually used for, or if you've ever used one before, please help me in the comments. Tell me, what is it? What is it used for? And what creative thing can I use it for today? Let's figure this out together. Like the video, subscribe to Frank Workstation, and I'll see you in the next one.